guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Kay. So don't mind my face look shine. Me just done beard rub on my cream. Now it's after 5. Remember after 5, after 3. Yeah, me go to shop go buy one little lasco. To make 2 cornflakes later. Yeah. Me no want to use the baby one if you mix him cereal. Come like me and rob him. So I go out to shop and buy the lasco. You understand? Yeah. I order the energy. Yeah. So stick around. Guys. You have to see your front if you say hi guys. Say hi guys. Yes, them now see you, them only hear you. Now him look a bad white and blue crocs, I love it. But make him start judge it, cause when me make him wear it go out, him take it off him foot. Yeah. Evening, mama. So I just tell my grandmother evening I'm passing her because I know that if I stop, I ain't gonna reach shop for now. So I have to have my head on my body. You so see the result of my face, man. My face I take time to come off. You know, I set myself, although the summer is up, but Christmas is back. Christmas the right round the corner. Guys, look here. I tell you, see, a lasco me I go to buy no queen of my hand. I buy 1 lasco, 2 bulla, 4 bag juice, because them not have no tongue. You see how me this? I go start walk with bag. Whether one sit me I buy, yes or no. But you know the lasco could have fall and put in my pocket. Could you? See that, guys? Me depend on the main now. Guys, if you know you're in the background, the kids them watch on African shows, so yes. But today I go look after some mackerel dumpling and cabbage, right? So I go fry the dumpling and steam on the cabbage with the salt mackerel. That's for dinner, right? Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.
My beautiful people, what up, what up, what up? So, I don't know if everybody need flour like me, but yeah. Fry some baking powder flour, yeah, man. You understand me? Yeah, with my salt mackerel and my cabbage. Yeah, so I pick out all of the salt mackerel bone them. I try pick out all as possibly can, you know. I'm not gonna get out all of them, but you know, I try my best to see what I can do with it. So I pick up it and thing. You understand me? My flour go and fry in the meantime. I'm baking powder flour. That's what I feel for. Yeah, so that's what I'll be cooking today. And my cabbage cut up already. So I just pick up this now. You understand? And something. So for those who like salt mackerel, drop it down in the comment section and tell me what you like salt mackerel, if a cabbage or tomatoes or what's the ever callaloo, or there are so many things that salt mackerel can eat with, or you just fry up with your onion, garlic, or what's the ever. You understand me? Just let me know down in the comment section. Guys, so this is dinner. Dinner. Hi guys, so this is Tuesday night. I'm hungry. It's after 10 now. I have to fly up out of bed look well and say to God because I can't sleep. When I'm hungry, I dance, I twist my tongue. I can't sleep. So you see the baking powder flour I did fry in the evening for dinner with the cabbage and some mackerel. That's what I'll be warming over. They mean the iron now warm over. Yeah, I like when it crispy, when it crunchy, yeah. Just eat it with that salt thing, drink some orange tongue. And got my bed. And if my egg take me, just suck down one beer too. Yeah. Yes, so yeah. Good the face I come off and say, yeah, who vex? Nobody vex, yeah. Boy, summer up, but no. My face did stay bad, man. My thing I warm over now. After that, I go eat. So, see you guys in an hour. Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. I just want you all to tell me how I look. This is not mine. This is for my little cousin. Yeah, I borrow it. What you say, Mama? I bought it just now. I just bought it.
You want to be a nurse?
You want to wear it Sunday to church?
You mean me?
You?
You mean me?
Yeah. To meet a new pastor.
You want to serve for me? Sunday, here, I mean, I want to say, pastor come. Then you have no right to go to church Sunday. And again, me not know. When I Sunday,
I'm going church Sunday to meet my new pastor. Alright. Guys, may I drink one anything? I will meds. Yeah, almost done. Done. Say hi, guys. Yes. Good morning. Yes, I. Yes, guys. I'm gonna make one anklet. I'm going to make an anklet. See there. I have every bead in here. You see? So it's a fishing line card. Probably I'm gonna just use them bead here to make it anklets. I'm not sure it. Oh, it's a go. But